Oh my, it really does look like I'm in a snow globe. Oh my goodness. Ah, good morning. Look, the birds have been here. Oh, how sweet. Good morning. I'm coming out to do farm chores. Oh, it's really snowy. Dave's gonna come out and plow. Oh, yep. All you're seeing on the screen is snow, I guess. Coming sheep. Good morning, everybody. I don't know how much snow we have. Quite a bit. Not a foot. Nothing like that. Good morning from the family farm. It is beautiful out though. It's just gorgeous. Katie Mae's crying because she's not with me. Oh my goodness, look. Isn't it so pretty hanging on the trees? Okay, off to do the farm chores. The sun is trying to come out. It really is. Aw. Good morning, everybody. There's icicles. Yeah, it's cold. But to feed the animals. Look at Oliver pushing Dave down the hill. And you know he moves so slow. Not Dave, Oliver. But I wanted to share with you just all the things that have been going on this week at the farm. We had a professional photographer, Lou Rudiger, come. He's won so many national and he's just won so many awards. And he works for our local newspaper and he took pictures of the sheep and Dave on the farm. And it was a big picture in the paper, and it was so exciting having him here. Well, we just got inside, and it is really cold out.
Uh, it's cold and it's snowing. We got a couple inches of snow overnight, and we're going to get a couple, 2 to 3 more during the day. Uh, we've been been real cold here last week, but it's supposed to thaw out here next week. So that's where we're at.
Oh, and somebody, I did want to mention, we got a couple messages. On the last video, I said I didn't know if we're going to do farm tours anymore. And, we just keep talking about what we're going to do this year. We do have a big celebration coming up. We're going to celebrate the Walker House turns 200, and Dave and I are going to have a party for our friends and family. And so I'm not going to have a lot of farm tours this year. I think I overscheduled last year, trying to do other things in between them. So, just taking care of the farm and the houses and everything. But if you did schedule last year, you're definitely on for this year. Please don't worry about that. Um, oh, and I got another message. I thought this was funny. Somebody asked us if, like how, do we plan everything real far and ahead? Just questioning about YouTube, and are they scripted like us talking now?
The answer is no. We were this goofy before YouTube, so
we do the things that we do on YouTube. We just,
yeah.
I think Dave and I both are sort of have creative minds, so we do try to create things of fun to do besides going somewhere.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun here.
Yeah, we do. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy this video. This is really what we're doing today. We both like to decorate in nature. We're bringing nature inside, and
okay, thanks for coming in.
Yeah. Hey, hon, I'm thinking of doing the mantle before we eat. Is that?
Yeah, and it takes time to get hot embers to cook, so perfect.
Well, I brought these in. I thought I'll put the big stuff where they go. I like this here. And I'm thinking, since we used the red ware hearts last year, since we made them. Oh,
yeah.
And I like this sheep looking right up at Mama. Yeah, and I think if I move this way, we can put some. Yeah. Yeah, I think I want to like that. All right. We decided it would be fun to decorate the mantle today. It's so snowy outside. It snows for a while, then stops, and you really can't do much outside, and it's like really cold. So I cut some branches from a mulberry tree that we were going to trim way back anyhow, and Dave's just putting them. It's just going to be sort of a sparse look, but we wanted to hang these hearts on something. We did a video on how we made these last year, and so it's a good day to do the mantle. Dave and I have been doing some hearth cooking lately, and I don't know. I'm maybe not supposed to share that because the first time they said the music wasn't right and they took it off so it's silent, and then I couldn't figure out how to make it right. And then the second time the video didn't come out right, but we're going to do some hearth cooking today, and we have our humidifier here. It's just wonderful. We put it by the fire and it's warm enough and it steams, and so David has that going. We have some pears in there too, dried pears, so I'm anxious to see how it's going to smell. I love to make my own teas, and we're having rose tea today. And Dave and I were out thrifting, and I found this dish set. We make candles, and I thought candles would be really nice in these cups. But I thought, today I think I'm just going to use them for our brunch, and I'm going to make eggs over the hearth in the cast iron skillet. I love to host tea parties, and one of the easiest ways to make the sandwiches, if you want to cut out bread, you can always use the leftovers for croutons. I would cut out hearts in bread, and look at that, this is homemade bread, and even the top part has like a heart. But if you freeze it and then just let it thaw out just a little bit and put your cookie cutter in it, it breaks, it cuts it really easy. So that's what I decided to do for these. So far, so good. While we were eating, I looked out the window and it was almost like a white outside to close the curtains. And then after we were all done, I decided to make some sachets. Dave and I are working on a website. Our website is 1824walkerfarmhouse.com if you'd like to look us up, and there's more about the history of the Walker house and everything on it. But I had an Etsy account, and Etsy just sort of wasn't for me. And so we're going to sell again on our website we used to before. And so this winter I've just been sewing, and I just love to sew by the fire when David has like a nice fire going. So I decided after our brunch that I would sew, and these are lavender sachets, and the lavender is from our farm. And we were in the mood for pepperoni bread, and I usually make it out of frozen dough. But today I decided to make it with homemade dough, and it really did turn out good. I could have maybe put a little bit more pepperoni in it, and we have company coming, so I made cookies in the cast iron skillet, and my kids gave us a new coffee maker, so of course I had to redecorate a little bit, and I put it in the pantry, and I had to redo the pantry a little bit, but I don't like a lot of stuff on my counters, so we did put it in the pantry, and I was excited. I got that box for $10. And also, you could see I'm painting all the white trim green, and I'm so excited. I just love it. And look who turned 7 months old, Katie May. Well, this isn't an old photo. This is new, and it's really been snowing, and so it's a good day to be inside. I want to thank you all for being here, following along. Hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. And we'd love for you to subscribe and to share. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks again, and I do hope to see you real soon.